What's up, guys? More Medic One here, and today's video is going to be on this. Today on Appliance Medic One, we are going to be repairing my TAPPAN range, electric range. And hey, I know it's not a lawnmower video, but hey, if this helps you out, it helps you out. And I hope that you stick around for this repair. As you can tell, look at my heating element. It blew out right here. You can tell where it's kind of deformed. I typically only get about, 5 to 8 years out of an element. This one just happened to last 9 years. I got this one back in 2017, I believe. I think that's right. I got it on Amazon for like 17 bucks back in the day. And this one was 27 bucks. So it's gone up $10 in 10 years, basically 9 years. But it's so super simple to replace these. You literally just have one screw here and one screw here, and you pull it out, and then you have your connections, one here and one here. Literally just plugs in to two male spades on each side. There's the new one compared to the old one. As you can tell, we are a little deformed. Get the new one set in place here. We'll get her hooked up to electricity. Get it pushed up there real good and tight. Same way with this one. All right, get on there. Now we're literally just taking pushing back into the hole. And we'll install our screws. One there, one there. Don't worry about it not sitting flat. Once this thing heats up one time, it'll all settle. Looks pretty good. Now's the time to give your oven a cleaning. A little bit of 409 or some degreaser and a little bit of elbow grease, and you can make them look pretty new. Now, let me show you a trick how to get the door back on. This is the older style that has the attaching screw. But what you do is, right here in this hole, you're going to just put a wood screw or maybe a wooden dowel in there so that it doesn't try to spring back. So let's go ahead and get that done. Just shove you something in there to keep it from slamming forward. Now we'll put the door on. I went ahead and removed this screw and this screw, and I was able to split the door in half, and I was able to clean the glass really good. Slide your door over the two posts, and the natural weight of the door is going to open. Then you can take out your screws that you put in. And then just slide the door on down until you line up your screw holes. Like that. And that is basically it. Just make sure your door shuts good. Contacts the gasket surface here. Contacts equal all the way around. Working good. We'll see if she'll heat up. Yes, sir. It's gonna stink like crazy because you got your finger oils on the burner. And whatever they ship that thing in, I'm sure it's got dust and dirt all over it. But that's it. All right. Slide your racks back in. Good to go. Alrighty guys, hey, easy peasy 1, 2, 3 repair on the old stove. Hey, if this content helped you out, and I know it did, give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. And while you're there doing that, go ahead and click that bell so that you get all of my new content. Y'all have a good rest of your week. More Medic One.